Now I'd like to review how to set up an exercise on a course page. This is probably the most difficult thing you're going to do as a teacher and instructor on Veritas Online Academy, so this is a very important tutorial. We're back in the Music Intro, Music 101 course. Signed in as Jane Doe, the instructor. So we're going to come down here in the menu and click Exercises. As you can see, we're currently empty. There are no exercises in the this course, so we need to add a new exercise. When we click that, we get this window here. Let's just call it Music Test. If we wanted to add a description, we could here, but I don't think it's necessary there. The exercise type defaults to on a unique page, and we'll go ahead and keep that option. No reason to change that, and click OK. And now as we go back to the Music 101 exercises, you can always backtrack here. You'll see that Music Test is now showing up as an exercise. The problem is we have no questions in our exercise currently, so we're going to come down here and click Modify. We've got a few options here. We can change the settings that we've already set up, but no reason to do that now. We can add a new question or get a question from another exercise. I'll go through that in just a moment. But let's click New Question, and let's create a new question for our test or for our exercise. Under Title for New Question, we're going to go ahead and actually ask the question. How about a good music question? Is rap really music? We don't need to elaborate on that. That question's pretty clear. The attached file section will not be used as part of these exercises, so you can just skip over that. But you can look here, you have several different answer types you can choose from. A multiple choice with a unique one correct answer, multiple choice with several correct answers, true, false, fill in the blank, or matching. In this case, there can only be one right question to that question, so we'll select multiple choice unique answer and click OK. Now we need to put in what our options are as an answer to the question, is rap really music? The program will default to 2 answers. We're going to go ahead and click down here, Add Answer, and let's add a third option. You can add as many as 4, 5, 6 options, but let's stick with 3 for this exercise, for this question. So the first answer might be, is rap really music? No, rap is just a bunch of noise. A second potential answer might be yes, rap will someday be considered classical music. And maybe a third answer would be yes, rap is a great form of musical expression. Now you have to select with these radio buttons out here what your expected choice will be. What is the correct answer? I'm going to vote for number 1. No, rap is just a bunch of noise. Now the final thing you can add here under comment is a comment that will come up depending on if the student selects each one of these options. So if they select no, rap is a bunch of noise, you can put yes, that is correct. For the second option, you can put, are you serious? And for the third option, is a great form of musical expression, we could put, you've got to be kidding. Okay. So those are the comments that will come up. I'll show you how that works in just a moment. The final thing here is you have weighting. Let's go ahead and weight this. You may weight 2 answers on a multiple choice that could have multiple answers. So you could get partial credit if the student only selected 1. But in this case, there's only 1 right answer, so we're going to weight that with 1 and 0 for the others. Okay. Now let's click OK, and we have now created the question. If we go back now to the exercises, select Music Test, question 1 comes up. Is rap really music? If we select the correct answer, no, rap is just a bunch of noise, we can click Finish the Test, and we get instant feedback that you selected option 1, that was the expected choice, and a comment, yes, that is correct. You can also see that the score on the quiz was a 1 out of 1. I will click Finish, and now as an instructor you will be able to see that a student took the exam and what their score is when you open up the test next time you run it. So that is basically how you set it up. You can continue to add questions by just selecting the exercise and adding additional questions. And that's really all there is to it.